Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today again I have come back with another breakfast recipe, which is a savory dish, Mutton Seviyan or Vermicelli recipe. This is very easy to make on Bakra Eid morning, as we all know that everyone will be very busy with the Qurbani work, and making naan, paratha or curry is a time consuming one. So you can make something like this, which will be very ultimate dish, but easy also. Now let's get started. I have taken enough oil. To that I have just added the whole spices. All use what we add: bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Along with that I have added two onions chopped. They are nice long juliens like I have cut. You have to nicely fry them until brown. Then next to that I added ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons full of ginger garlic paste. Nicely fry it until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is completely gone. Following to that I'll be adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, salt to taste and 1 tomato. Nicely give it a good mix and fry it nicely. We will be frying it until the tomatoes are soft and tender. At this point I am adding mutton pieces. These are 600 grams approximately, little extra than 500 grams, that is half kg. I am preparing half kg vermicelli, so little extra mutton I have taken. Now I added mint leaves and coriander. To that I am also adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add very less yogurt, don't add too much. If you add too much of yogurt, the vermicelli will be very sticky. We don't want to end up like that. Now I will be adding, after frying a little bit, I am just adding 1 cup of water. Already this mutton will be releasing its own water. Cover it and cook on low flames for 30 to 45 minutes. Or if you don't have time, just put it in the cooker and again transfer it into the same bowl. Now I have just taken 3 cups extra water. In that I assume there will be 2 cups of water. So totally 5 cups of water approximately it is. Now bring the water to boil. And when the water is boiling, we will adjust the salt. I am adding half a lemon juice and handful of coriander. Give it a good mix. Then this is the roasted vermicelli I am going to use. This is 500 grams of roasted vermicelli, the same brand which I used for this sweet dish. Now we will just mix everything. I will be just adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala, which will give nice flavor to your vermicelli. Now at this point you should keep the flames on high and start mixing it upside down until all the water or the liquid in the vermicelli gets evaporated. When you see it is evaporating, immediately off the flames. Now when the water is evaporated, you can see that all the vermicelli will absorb the water and some will be getting evaporated also. At this point, completely off the flames and close the lid and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. In that heat itself, the vermicelli will be cooked nicely. After 10 minutes, immediately open and flip the vermicelli upside down so that it doesn't stick to one another. Now you can see how nice the vermicelli is cooked. All the vermicelli with mutton is very well done, not sticking to each other. Very tasty and delicious recipe this is. Vermicelli will get cooked very fast in 1 or 2 minutes. You can see I am garnishing with fried onions, cashews and coriander leaves. This is a very tasty recipe in which you can always choose to use mutton or chicken or mutton keema or chicken keema or even prawns. All the non-veg will be very differently tasting, very nice. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.